how we're doing this today, how we're enabling smarter shopping with AI. So AI makes shopping in Lazada definitely smarter and more personal. Our shopping assistant, AI Lazi, helps shoppers find products much faster and also recommends deals that match their preferences. So for 99, our shoppers can expect to see personalized product bundles and also the best deals, right, that are actually based on their browsing activity, purchasing behavior, and history, so that this ensures that 99 doesn't just feel bigger, it feels much more personal, intuitive, and seamless for every shopper who visits our platform. So from shoppers, let me go and talk a bit about what we do for our sellers also. Our back-end AI tools provide sellers with real-time insights. This includes insights on demand forecasting, inventory management, and even price optimization. So this really enables smarter decisions, especially important during high-traffic sales events such as Online. So we have introduced newer Gen AI features. We saw a very good reception among our sellers. Around 67% already expressed strong satisfaction for existing AI features. So we introduced new Gen AI features that include smart product optimization and listing, AI-powered translations, right, and AI-powered selling funds, and even real-time assistance with Lassi Seller. We have also launched the Online Sellers Artificial Intelligence Readiness Playbook, which offers strategic guidance based on the seller's AI maturity levels. So with these tools in place, we are confident that our sellers can scale much more efficiently, while of course delivering better value to our consumers. Finally, right, we are happy to share that we are making meaningful progress. So AI-driven personalization has led to higher conversions and stronger repeat purchases. So notably, during our last 6/6 sale, the more recent 6/6 sale, tripled its sales contributions, right, as compared to 6 months back during our 12 all-out Christmas sale. So this is very meaningful to us, right? It tells us that more and more shoppers are really interacting with Lassi, and even more so that Lassi is really forging deeper connections with our shoppers, able to build their baskets, right, in a way that really augments their lifestyle. So at the heart of 99 today, right, it's not just great deals, but really creating that more personal shopping journey, that smarter shopping journey that helps shoppers find what they love and sellers really grow and scale efficiently, right? So smarter shoppers, stronger sellers. This is what is guiding us, right, towards shaping the future of shopping and selling in Lazada. Thank you.